Okay, we got a 2021 Jeep Wrangler. This is the diesel. I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life. You're gonna use your steering wheel buttons here. Right now it's on speedometer. Now if you press down, you see menu 2, vehicle info. You need to scroll over to the right until you see the oil life, or to the left, okay? This is it right here. It says hold okay to reset. And what you need to do is you need to actually turn the car off. Foot off the brake, engine start once, twice, okay? This is the run position here. The engine is not running. We're gonna press okay. It's gonna give us our menu back here. Now we can press and hold okay. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. It's got low tire pressure, low everything. All right, so we're gonna go back, to where it says oil life. All right, and now press and hold okay. And it'll change to 100% real quick. Now we can start it up. And we are good to go. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you could hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could. And I hope to see you again in another Jeep video.